Hey you, my name is Marni, and from here on out, I'm going to be your very own personal wing girl. I'm going to give you everything you need to know about how to attract, date, seduce, and get the women you want. Here's this week's Wing Girl Minute on how to meet girls through social media like Facebook or Instagram or Tinder. Here's how to use social media to meet women. Let's use Instagram, for example. When you start to follow a hot girl on Instagram, take your time to see who she is by observing what she posts. If you really like a few of her posts, then hit like. And then after 5 to 10 likes, you can write to her directly because at that point, you kind of know her and can show you're approaching her for more than just her looks. Even though modern technology can bring us closer together and make things a lot easier when it comes to finding women to meet, it's still a pretty scary place for women as they get approached, or let's call it spammed, quite a lot by guys who don't take the time to get to know them and just hit on them right away. Usually this comes across as creepy, but if you take your time and make your approach after you know something about her, you have a much better chance of her actually replying with interest. And that's my Wing Girl Minute for this week. Remember, a man who understands women will win the attention of any woman he wants. Become that man today. For more tips on how to attract, date, seduce, and get any woman you want, go to winggirldatingtips.com. Want more insider tips on what women really want? Then go to winggirlmethod.com/advice and get a free copy of my best-selling book, 10 Devastating Mistakes All Men Make with Women and How to Avoid Them. Plus, you'll also get to see a video I made just for you on the #1 sign women give that most men do not notice. You definitely need to see this because when you start noticing it, you can use it to your advantage. Go to winggirlmethod.com/advice or just click right here on this page. You are listening to a Wing Girl Method production. For more tips on how to attract, date, seduce, and get any girl you want, visit winggirlmethod.com and I'll tell you exactly what you need to do to get the women you want.